address, address. Signature, signature. Mobile banking, mobile banking. Online banking, online banking. Transaction, transaction. Transfer money, transfer money. Account number, account number. Bank charges, bank charges. Monthly statement, monthly statement. Daily limit, daily limit. Joint account, joint account. Beneficiary, beneficiary. Payee, payee. Branch, branch. Bank manager, bank manager. Teller, teller. Customer service, customer service. I want to change my PIN. I want to change my PIN. My account is blocked. My account is blocked. Activate the card. Activate the card. Close the account. Close the account. Minimum balance. Minimum balance. Maximum withdrawal. Maximum withdrawal. Standing order. Standing order.
I want to open an account. I want to open an account. Savings account. Savings account. Current account. Current account. Deposit money. Deposit money. Withdraw money. Withdraw money. I need a bank statement. I need a bank statement. Lost my card. Lost my card. Credit card. Credit card. Debit card. Debit card. ATM. ATM. PIN number. PIN number. Can I get a loan? Can I get a loan? Interest rate. Interest rate. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit. Overdraft. Overdraft. Fill this form. Fill this form. Identification. Identification. passport, passport. Utility bill, utility bill.